Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing something. Guess what? Eggs. Well, you might be wondering, what am I going to be doing with eggs? Well, I'm going to tell you how to differentiate a raw and hard-boiled egg. First step is to place them on a flat surface like this, and then give them a nice spin and then stop them with your finger. If it just rolls like this and not on its axis, that means it's a hard-boiled egg. And is the exact opposite with a raw egg. If you spin a raw egg, I'll just give it a good spin. If you spin a raw egg and stop it, it'll still continue spinning. So it's a raw egg. But how does this happen? You might be wondering. So liquids have less friction than solids. So seems this is liquid inside, it has less friction. Seems this is solid inside, it has more friction. But wait, what is friction? Friction is the force which makes it harder to move. So seems this has more friction, it makes it harder to move, so it stops it. But seems this has less friction, this can actually build up momentum to keep on spinning. So this is an example. If you take a bottle and fill water in it and close the bottle, spin it around, even if you stop spinning the bottle, the liquids will keep spinning. So the same thing is happening here. So when I spin this, and even if I stop it, the liquids build up some momentum to still keep going. So this is how to differentiate a raw egg from a hard-boiled egg. So before that, to prove to you this is a raw egg and this is a hard-boiled egg, I'm going to peel them. So first I'll start off with the raw egg. So as you can see, this egg is raw. And now this hard-boiled egg. As you can see, it's a hard-boiled egg. So, and this is a raw egg. Okay guys, see you in my next video.